Hello dear students, welcome to the accountancy class. Now see what I am teaching today. Today I am going to teach you a practical oriented question. See, I have told you many a times in my class that the question paper will be of 5 sections. Section A, in which you will write down all 1 marks question and there will be multiple choice question also. In section B, you will be having 2 marks question answers where they will ask you either meaning, definition or some points related question answers. Then in section C, you will have 6 marks questions. In section D, you will have 12 marks question, and the last section is section E, in which you will have practical oriented questions. Here, each question carries 5 marks. How many questions will be given in the exam? 3 will be given, out of which you need to attempt any 2. Okay? So, according to the chapter only we are taking the practical oriented question. In chapter number 1, what was the practical oriented question? The accounting process diagram or chart was your practical oriented question. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಥಿಯರಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಇಟ್. Now today what I am teaching you this accounting equation table. This is a compulsory question. Almost prati varsha idan our exam nalli ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು. ಬಹಳ ಈಜಿ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ತಯಾರು ಐತಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದವ. ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ, what information is given here? See, they have given you the information of asset, they have given you the information of liability. You need to find out the capital. Similarly, one missing item is there in each equation. See, what is the question? Write the accounting equation for each item and find the missing figure. So how the marks distribution will be done here? For each point there will be 1 marks each, and for each equation you need to for each equation there will be 1 mark, and here it will have half marks each. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next week what your midterm exam is starting into our college, in that this will be a compulsory question, and that is why I am teaching it right now itself, so that you should be able to score marks over there. So what is the method of solving this? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, first of all you should know what is the accounting equation. The accounting equation is assets equal to capital plus liabilities. This is the basic equation. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕಲ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅವಾಗನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So today I will tell you how we are going to prepare the equations. So see what is missing here. Capital is missing, correct? So 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಏನ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಐತಿ, this will come this side and the capital will remain there only. So when the liability is coming this side, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದಾಗ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ, that is equal to ದಾಟತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅದ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So here currently it is plus sign. So when liability will come this side, what it will become? Minus. So what is the formula for capital? The formula for capital is assets minus liabilities, correct? So now fill it up. How you will fill it up? See, you do not have the information of capital, but you have the information of asset. How much is the asset in equation 1? It is 1 lakh. How much is the liability? 60,000. So therefore, what is the value of capital? See, the value of capital is equal to, okay, the value of capital is equal to 40,000. 1 ಲಕ್ಷದಾಗಿ 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 40,000. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತೋರಿಸೇನೆ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ therefore what is the amount of capital? The amount of capital is 40,000, correct? In the same way, now we will see second equation. ಏನೈತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ capital ಐತಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ? liability missing ಐತಿ. So you need to prepare a formula for liabilities. So liabilities is equal to, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತಿ, ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದೈತಿ? liability ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದೈತಿ. So liability will remain as it is. Okay, this asset, okay, so ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, liability will remain as it is. This time the capital will come this side. ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? capital ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So ನಿಮ್ liability ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? assets minus capital is equal to liability and formula ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Now you can ask me, ma'am, writing of this formula is compulsory? Yes, it is compulsory. For that only they are giving marks. Okay. Now see, what is the value of asset in this equation? In this equation the value of asset is 90,000. What is the value of capital? It is 45,000. So therefore, what is the value of liabilities now? It is 45,000. 90,000 minus 45,000 is equal to 45,000. So write down the solution. How much is the amount? See, it is 45,000. In the same way, now we will go for the third equation. What is missing? See, the asset is missing. So assets formula namak gottaiti. What is the formula for asset? It is equal to capital plus liabilities. So write down assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Now fill up the values. What is the value of capital? See, it is 56,000. What is the value of liabilities? It is 24,000. So therefore, what is the total value of your assets? The assets are equal to rupees 80,000. Now fill up these assets here into this equation. So what is the value? See, it is 80,000. So if you write down like this neatly and correctly, then only you will get 5 out of 5 marks. Okay. So in today's class, what we are going to do? We are going to practice the sums in this way itself. Okay. So this question had come in the year 2019 midterm. Okay. Now we shall go for the next question. Yes. So as you can see, what we have done, see, we have taken 2 more sums on the same accounting equation where it will come into your practical oriented question. Idarkita madalunu ನೀವು accounting equation ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರಿ. But those sums were for section C, where they will give you the transaction and you will prepare the accounting equation. That kind of questions are completely different from what I am teaching today. That is also a compulsory question which will come for 6 marks into your section C, and this is also a compulsory question which will come into your exams for 5 marks into your section E. Here again nodri yen helyaru, write the accounting equation for each item and find the missing figure. You note there is no difference in the sum. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತದನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ರು ಮೂರ್ಖನ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಯಾರು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ so that you do not lose marks in your guarantee or compulsory questions. Okay, so let us understand the question. This question had come in the annual exam for 2019. What is the first information? See, it is 2 lakh assets, liabilities. What is missing here? Capital is missing. So write down the equation. Capital is equal to, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ equations ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಈಜಿ ಐತಿ. What is the formula for the accounting equation? The formula for accounting equation is assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. This is our basic formula. ಈಗ ಇದರಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ liabilities. Okay, so now fill up the values. See, in the first equation, what is the value of asset that is given? It is 2 lakh. What is the value of liabilities that is given? It is 1,20,000. So therefore you can tell me 2 lakh minus 1,20,000. What is the value of capital? 80,000. So this information needs to be filled here. ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಗಳಂತೂ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಟೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ equation 2. What is missing here? See, liability is missing. ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ? liability is missing ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪೈತಿ. assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. ಈಗ liability ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದೈತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Okay, so this is how you are preparing the formulas. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕಲ್ಕೋರಿ, ನೆನಪಿಡಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1,80,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರು? 90,000 ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ 1,80,000 minus 90,000 is equal to how much? 90,000. So what is the liabilities amount? It is rupees 90,000. So fill up this value over here. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರು ಶಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅದಾರ, they can do orally also. No need of writing this, madam. They can ask me. Writing is compulsory. For that only 3 marks are reserved. Okay, so you cannot do direct answers. Next, what is missing? See, asset is missing. Now here we have our basic formula. What is the basic formula? Assets are always equal to capital plus liabilities. So write down the formula. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Now fill up the information that is given. What is the total value of capital? 1,12,000. And what is the liabilities? 68,000. So therefore, what is the value of asset? 1,80,000. Now this information itself needs to be filled in this table, which is 1,80,000. Nenapirli, in this kind of questions, there is no relation between the transactions. In section C, what questions you have learned to solve, there is a relation between or continuity between each transaction. ಅಲ್ಲಿ one transaction ತಪ್ಪಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ you will get the marks for the other. Okay, so kindly understand. Now let us go for the next question. See, it is already written here. What they are telling, write the accounting equation and find out the missing figure. Same. Again they have given a table. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಟ್ಟೋ ಹಿಂಗ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now what is the first missing information in first equation? See, it is to find out the capital. So let us find out. ಅವರು a ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು a ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಅವರು 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತಾನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. How it is given in the question paper, you have to write down like that only. So tell me, what is the formula for capital? Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2-3 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಂತಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಕ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಬರೇ 1-2 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೆನಪಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದು, I won't entertain that. First watch the videos, write down the notes, do the homework that is given, and then if you have any doubts, then only call or message me. Simply ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು, okay, I have lots of work to do. It's for you only, the work that I am doing. Okay, so therefore find out the value of asset. Asset ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲೆಕ್ಕದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರು 1 lakh minus what is the value of liabilities? 45,000. So 1 lakh minus 45,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 55,000. So you need to write down this. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ್ರಿ. You have to write down directly the answer. I have to show you the question and answer, that's why I am putting the question mark. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 55,000 ಬಂತು. In the same way, now what is missing? See, asset is missing. So what is the formula for assets? Assets is equal to capital capital plus liabilities. Capital plus liabilities. Okay. So now, what is the value of capital given in the question? 45,000. What is the value of liabilities given in the question? 35,000. So when you add up both, what is the value of the assets? It is equal to 80,000. Okay. So write up this here into your answer, which is 80,000. Now see, I have used red pen, so you should also use red pen. No, a student can use only black and blue pen. You cannot use red pen. Drawing salon you ಯಾವ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, pencil ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay. Next, what is missing? See, liability is missing. So liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Okay. So now find out the missing item, that is the liabilities. Assets ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, the value of asset is 1,50,000. Okay, it is 1,50,000 minus capital is 70,000. So therefore, what is the liability? Liability is for 80,000. Okay. So write down the answer for liabilities. Amount is equal to 80,000. Okay. So in this way, you should solve the accounting equations. I will solve still 2 more sums. ಐದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then there is a fault in you only. Okay. Yes, we shall continue still. Yes. So as you can see, we have taken down 2 more sums. Now see, again, what is missing here? Assets is missing. So write down the formula for first equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. Yes. So let us continue the question. So what we can see here, that the capital, the asset is missing. So what is the formula? See, liabilities plus capital. Okay. So let us fill up the values. What is liabilities? 4,80,000 plus capital 1,20,000. So therefore, what is the value of asset? See, it is equal to rupees 6 lakh. Okay. So fill up this value here. It is equal to rupees 6 lakh. Now let us go for the next equation. Yen missing is nodri, capital missing is. So what will be the formula for capital? Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Okay. So let us find out the value. 9,80,000 minus 2,30,000. Okay. So how much it is? See, 50,000. Okay. And 7,50,000. So value of capital is equal to 7,50,000. Okay. Now let us find out the value of liabilities. Okay. So what is the formula for liabilities? See, the formula for liabilities is assets minus capital. So that is equal to assets value, it is 6,25,000 minus 3,15,000. So therefore, what is the value here? It is 3,10,000. So the liabilities is 3,10,000. Okay. So exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತ question compulsory ಬರ್ತಾವ. So when we use the word compulsory, it means that should and must be practiced and ಅದರ ನಿಮಗೆ perfection ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. Otherwise ನೀವಾಗಿನ ನೀವು marks ಕಳ್ಕೋದಂಗೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So this is the homework for you. I hope you all will be able to solve it easily. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, because this question will question like this will surely come into your exam. Okay, so yes, we shall continue in tomorrow's class. Thank you.